Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Presonus StudioLive 16 mixer or any mixer in the any 3 series StudioLive mixer, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the mixer not responding, or it's not doing what it's supposed to do, not connecting to something, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to delete all the presets, all the user data, everything like that off of it, so that you can use this, set this up like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this real easily. We're just going to turn it off, and then once we turn it off, we're going to come and find the FX button right here, and we're just going to press and hold the FX button. And while pressing and holding the FX button, then we can come over and turn it back on, and just keep holding it until we see the little Presonus logo show up on the screen. And then once that happens, we can go ahead and let go. Allow it to do its normal boot up, which will actually take a little bit longer because it's booting up back into its factory defaults and wiping everything off of it. And once that happens, you can set it up like a brand new mixer.